So find the limit if f of x is negative 2 over x to the third and g of x is 4 to the third. Okay, so the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the right. So we're going to rewrite this as the limit as x approaches 0 from the right. So I know that this is going to tend to infinity. So I need to figure out if it's going to tend to negative or positive infinity. Since it's approaching 0 from the right, it's almost similar as substituting a number to the right. So 0.1 or 0.01. So if we substitute 0.01 to the third, this is a really small positive number. So a number divided by a really small positive number will tend to go to infinity. So I have negative infinity because a negative number times a really huge number is going to give me a negative really big number. So the answer is negative infinity. So now the limit as f of x as x approaches 0 from the left. Okay, so once again, so now I want to choose a number to the left of 0. So if I choose a number to the left of 0, we're going to use negative 0.01 to the third. Okay, so now this is a small negative number. So a number divided by a small negative number tends to go to negative infinity. Okay. But remember, I have that negative in the front. So a negative number, so negative 1 times a really huge negative number is going to be a really big positive number. So that tends to go to positive infinity. A, B. So let's look at C. The limit of g of x as x approaches 0, if that would be it does not exist. Because when I come from the right, it's negative infinity. When I come from the left, it's positive infinity. And D is the limit as x approaches 0 of f of x times g of x. So as we substitute f of x, we have negative 2x to the third. G of x would be 4x to the third. So if we factor or cancel, we get negative 2 times 4 or negative 8. So my limit is negative 8.